Hi, Mark Verna with Printing News and PrintingNews.com. We're here at GRAPH EXPO 2015, day 3 of the show. And joining us now from EFI is John Henze. Welcome, John.
Nice to meet you.
John is the VP of Marketing for the fiery business at EFI. So first question for you, John. EFI's had a pretty impressive year in terms of product innovation, won a lot of awards, must see him here at the show. Talk to us a little about product development, how it's done over there. And, You're in Foster City now, I believe. And
our headquarters, we moved actually about a year ago to Fremont.
That's right, Fremont.
Just across the base.
And how how it kind of happens and becomes a reality.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, it has been a real good year. So for us, and the awards we won at the show, the Museums, is kind of validation of that. I think it really kind of starts from the culture. So EFI, from its founding, has always been a very kind of customer-focused, innovation-driven type of company. We always feel we have to keep one step ahead if we're going to survive. So we spend, it's a little cliche, but we spend a lot of time with customers and understanding not only what they're saying, but kind of really seeing what their pain points are, and then putting that into practice. We spend a very high percentage of our overall budget in R&D, much higher than the typical company in our industry. And then that really has been reflective of what we produce. So again, it kind of stems from the culture of taking chances, of creating innovation that customers can value, and I think you see the proof in the awards and product development this year.
Definitely. And since you're responsible for the fiery side of the business, talk to me a little bit about the rollout of the latest fiery platform.
Yeah, so we announced our latest fiery platform, FS200 Pro, a couple of months back. We've now seen at the show a couple of our partners introducing their latest generation, and actually two really exciting two presses from Xerox, the iGen 5, which is it's got a lot of buzz from, and then also the Canon, the new C10000 VP engine, which is exciting for us and I'm sure for them as well. And that again, that's the first two of many to come. And the fire technology, again, very proud of it, but it certainly is dependent on working with the great partners we have to introduce their presses into the market.
And taking a big picture view of the company, John, what would you say are EFI's, or one of EFI's biggest strengths right now, overall?
Good question. I have to say it starts with the people. We just passed the 3,000 mark for our employees, and again, it's ingrained into our culture from Guy, our CEO, on down, is not to be satisfied, is to always try to push for more. I mentioned take some chances. It's okay to try new things, and not all of them work out for sure. Then strength is you've seen in terms of our investment into areas within the overall digital print and imaging market that are digital, color-focused, growing markets, from our recent acquisitions into textile and to other markets. And so being able to provide a broad breadth of portfolio to our customers to kind of meet the need that they have in the areas that are growing, I think is a very big strength for EFI. Yeah,
and looking ahead to 2016, which is a Drupa year.
Yep.
I mean, if the company has a weakness, or if you'd like to see it strengthened, more so in a particular area, where might that be?
Well, again, for us, we have a very clear strategy, very clear vision. We're focused on doing that, and it's really just about continuing to execute down that path. One of the things we're working on is we have our Connect Users Conference that's we've had for well over a decade, and each year we're trying to grow that. We had over 1,000 people and customers attend in January in our conference in Las Vegas, and how do we grow that to even bigger, to be able to gather some of the leading commercial printers, production printers in the in the industry, to be able to not only showcase our products and technology, but get them talking, get them seen from others of what some of the leading companies in the industry are doing, and that would be one area they want to continue to build and to grow upon the success that we've had.
Yeah, definitely.
Well.
Connect is a great event.
Yeah, it is a good
We're
event.
usually there
Yep,
as a guest of Frank, which we were
Yep.
grateful for. So thanks for that.
Yeah.
And one more day of the show left here. I hope it's a great day for you guys
Yeah.
tomorrow. I hope traffic is good.
Yeah, it's been fantastic. Wednesday always is a kind of a different crowd, and it's some of the young students to come by, which is always nice to see. But it's been great. It's been really well attended, and the people who are there are very engaged. I mean, they're there for a purpose, and we do our best to see what we can do to help them out.
Well, we appreciate you taking some time
Yeah,
out to say
thank you
hello.
very much.
Thanks, John.
Yeah.